Behind these massive steel doors lies one of the most advanced manufacturing environments ever created.
Millions of people drive these cars, but almost nobody gets to witness.
It operates in one highly coordinated environment, and we're only getting started. It combines advanced robotics.
People call it a factory, but what you're looking at is an entire manufacturing ecosystem.
But the machine, one giant casting, replacing what once took hundreds of parts. But creating it is only the beginning. Now, every millimeter must survive inspection. Every part is verified. Every millimeter must earn its place. It must meet demanding engineering standards. Now, it becomes the foundation of a car. Every movement is timed. Watch closely. Advanced automation aligns and welds major vehicle structures. Thousands of sparks turn this frame into a strong skeleton. Every weld is with extraordinary precision. Thousands of sparks, because the next department is powered by artificial. It inspects what human eyes can easily miss. Before a single drop of paint, every detail must be absolutely perfect. Thousands of critical points across the vehicle structure in moments, helping engineers verify precision. Every coating is applied with extraordinary precision. This environment creates a perfect finish. But the paint is not complete yet, one layer at a time. Inside this precisely controlled curing process, now the paint becomes part of the car, not just a layer on it. Heat helps the paint achieve its final durability and brilliant finish. Every vehicle depends on its battery, but the most satisfying moment is moments away, when the battery and the car finally become one. Engineers call this the marriage. It is where the battery meets the chassis. An electric heart must pass one final test.
This is the moment we've waited for. The machine finally becomes real.
Listen carefully. That's the sound of the future coming to life. But even a perfectly built machine is of lines of software repair it for the real world. Powerful software coordinates this vehicle. It manages energy and safety systems.
The heart can leave the factory.
Every feature must prove itself under demanding real tests. Before a customer trusts this car, every system has to prove it deserves that trust. Every major function is carefully verified through automated testing before production continues. Steering. Every vehicle is tested. If even one drop gets inside, the test starts all over again. Every detail matters. The test every engineer waits for, the car's very first drive. Every great journey begins with a single silent drive. Complex engineering, but befreaches a softener. One final inspection still stands in its way. Machines built it, but a human gives the final approval. Every detail must meet the highest standards, but outside these doors, an unforgettable sight is waiting. What started as raw materials, robotics, and engineering, ready destination, and every destination with someone's dream. Our job ends here, but someone else's dream is just beginning. After hours of engineering, automation, and precision, the journey leaves the factory. Every bolt tightened leads to this moment. But there's one final chapter left, the very first drive. Just hours ago, this was one of the world's advanced factories, inside one of this factory in Sinamur, into the real world. People see a car. We see millions of perfect decisions working together to transform raw materials into vehicles that will carry dreams across the world. We don't just build cars. Every vehicle becomes part of someone's life. It may carry a family, a student toward a dream. We help create millions of journeys around the world. While one customer begins a new journey, innovation never sleeps here. One car leaves, that's how the future is built, every single day. Every vehicle represents far more than technology. Behind every robot are thousands of hours of human dedication.
When the world goes to sleep, this factory keeps building tomorrow.
Thousands of precision operations happen here. Millions of components come together.
But watching hundreds come to life is summer forget.
It all begins again. Every vehicle begins its journey from here, but its destination could be anywhere on Earth. We build them in one place, but they become part of lives all over the world. It's human dedication, transformation that travels with you, every mile of your journey. But the future keeps moving forward. Somewhere, another Tesla has already begun its journey. Every ending here is of another story. You've witnessed one of the most advanced. We know the incredible story hidden beneath its paint, an endless cycle where true innovation never stops. Most people admire the exterior, but hidden beneath every panel are thousands of precisely engineered moments, are often the most important. Every micron matters. Inside this factory, precision isn't measured in centimeters. Advanced laser metrology systems inspect every dimension, ensuring behind every robotic movement is an intelligent manufacturing system. The smartest machine in this factory isn't a robot, it's the intelligence connecting them all. This factory isn't powered by robots alone. Robots give us speed. Between human intelligence and machine precision, building the future. Thousands of machines work together.
Speed means nothing without precision.
It's only when you step back that you truly understand the scale. This isn't just a factory, it's an entire manufacturing ecosystem. Gigafactory isn't only manufacturing vehicles, it's accelerating the future of transportation. Today we build cars, tomorrow we'll help build an entirely new world. Every breakthrough pushes the worlding the future of tomorrow. Every breakthrough will help build an entirely new world. Every breakthrough in batteries and a cleaner tomorrow. Before the factory, there was only an idea, driven by someone daring to imagine better. Every machine began as a single idea, proving that this factory never says goodbye. You've witnessed. Every vehicle is a new beginning, proving innovation has no finish line. Long after a VIA vehicle leaves the line, its story is only beginning. Every memory becomes part of a legacy that started with every journey has an ending, but innovation continues forever. Thank you for seeing the story behind every machine we build. Thank you for taking this journey with us. Our work continues, and your journey with us doesn't have to end here. You've just witnessed one of the world's most advanced manufacturing journeys. Every Tesla begins with an idea, glowing through precision and ending as part of someone's life, because another future is already being built.
Before you go, I have one question for you. What factory should we explore next? Apple, Boeing, Coca-Cola, Samsung, NASA, or something even crazier? Tell me in the comments. I personally read them all. Your idea might become our next documentary.